Hi friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills, and today's video we'll be learning how to make this super fun game called as the Jump Chick Jump game. So what happens in this game is there is a chick that jumps over an egg, and if you touch the egg by mistake, the sound pop is played and the game stops. So this is what we'll be making today. And if you are my daily watchers, you will know that in every tutorial at the last, in every game tutorial at the last, I show you a more better and developed version. So to see that, keep watching. Now let's go and make this fun game. So this game might be made in below 20 blocks. So just imagine how easy is that, isn't it? Yes, it is. So the first thing I want to do over here, I'll just type the name. Jump chick, jump chick, another jump. Okay, so jump chick jump. Next, what I want to do is delete the sprite one and upload two sprites. Those are the chick and the egg. So the egg, yeah. Next, let's upload the background. I think blue sky will do best. Now let's put these sprites both to the ground and check their size. You might be amazed to see that the chick is the size of the egg. That's why we're gonna reduce the size of the egg to 80. There. Now it's all perfect. Now let's go and start coding the chick. So the main thing we want to do over here is we want this all action from the chick to happen when the space key is pressed. That's when we want the chick to jump. So remember that. Yeah. Now, so for that we need to repeat 10 times loops. The first one will be used to go up and the second one will be used to come down. So we'll be using the change y by 10 blocks. For the second one that's coming down, just add a minus in it, like a dash. So it'll be minus 10. Let's try this out. Oh, this works. Amazing, right? So we have done with the chick jumping motion in just 5 blocks. So without further ado, let's go to the egg. Yeah. So for the egg, what we want to do is when the green flag is clicked, you want it to repeat 10 times that it will go to this area of the page. So you need to add a go to over there. And you need to like put it to the next end of the stage. There. So there, after you put it to the next side of the stage, just add glide to block. Okay, and I prefer adding a 1.5 block in there. Now let's try how this works. Cool, huh? Now the last thing we want to do in this game is add some motion when the chick touches the egg. So we can do that in the chick's area. Even if we do it in the eggs area, it's completely fine. But because there is one more block we want to add in the chicks, I'm just doing it in the chick. So we'll need the forever loop for this area and the if then. So we want to keep checking if the chick has touched the egg. And if the chick touched the egg, play sound stop, play sound, chirp, or pop whatever sound you like and stop all. Okay, so let's try this out. But before we try it out, the thing I told that we need to add, that is, so if I keep my chick over here and start the game, actually it does not go down back. So for that, oh, we'll need to put the s- the sprite chick to the area we want it to be standing on, and from the space area, we'll just add that block. Let's try this out now. Okay, so far so good. Good. So the thing is that the egg did not stop as well. That's why I'll just copy this thing and just paste it over there. And we don't want it over here. Okay, just put it into pop, and let's try this out again. Pop, no pops. Oh, I forgot to make it back to chick. Okay. Voila, we have did it, friends. It has come to be a really easy and super game. Now let's try this out in full screen. Okay, so far so good. Yay, we did it. So we did it in, let's count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 blocks. Isn't that cool? So now it's time for you to see the more developed and better version. So now let's go peek on it. So here it is, the more developed and better version. In this version, actually, you might see two differences at the first. There is a high score and a score. So, and the next, all differences will be there while we play the game. So over here, so when you jump, there's a chirp sound. And if you look at the bird's beak keep moving as she chirps. And if we touch the egg cracks open and the bird cries. Isn't that super cool? So, to learn how to make this thing, this game, just comment down below that you want to learn how to make it. The video uploads automatically. So, goodbye for now. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, friends.